We are here at Wind Creek Casino in Atmore, Alabama.
And so we are camping here for a week at the casino. You can see behind me how beautiful the everything looks. But here's the funny thing, we don't really even gamble. However, we found out that there were a ton more things to do at a casino than just gamble.
We're staying at the RV park here at the casino.
So there are 75 sites and they are $38 daily, only $38, or $211 for the full week.
The Wind Creek Casino campground is great because every site is a pull-through 75-foot concrete pad site with an additional concrete pad for your picnic table or sitting out. Each site is a full hookup site with electricity, water, and your sewer. On top of having full hookup sites, they also have an additional dump as well.
And there's free Wi-Fi.
And you get $5 for each night you stay to use at the casino.
And there's 24-hour security right outside of the RV park. And in addition to that, there's a shuttle, a free shuttle that will take you back and forth to the casino and to all of the amenities. And it's really not that far. We can ride to the casino or to Starbucks. You can also walk if it's not too cold. So the RV park has a clubhouse here, and the clubhouse has some restrooms with showers, a picnic area, which you can see over my shoulder right here, and they also have laundry facilities as well, and an ice machine.
2 charcoal grills, a couple of picnic tables, playground for the cheer-ins if you have some.
One of my favorite things about being at the RV park is Coda can come with us. And you'll see he has his very famous wrestling suit on because he just had surgery.
He's wrestling with the loss of some of his body parts right now.
They also have a dog park here so the dogs can get off their leashes and run for a little bit.
It was Christmas time and the casino was decorated beautifully for the holidays.
Crowds are bustling everywhere I go, spreading that Christmas cheer. I trimmed the tree and I put up the lights, decked all the halls singing Silent Night. I wrote my list and I checked it twice, but it doesn't really matter who's naughty or nice.
They only have slot machines at Wind Creek, but they have over 1,700 of them. Since it was a casino, we had to be very careful videoing inside.
One of my favorite things was the very unique toilets in the women's bathrooms. One of the amenities at the casino was a bowling alley.
So we're here at the bowling alley and it's Wednesday night, which means it's $1 bowling and $2 for shoes. So we're gonna do some bowling. That's what I need to bowl with, and I feel like I would certainly do better if I had that little dinosaur. So apparently I don't understand bowling, and I was using a person's personal ball. Every time I got a strike, I used a kid's personal ball. And he kept telling me, oh, you're using my ball. I had no idea what he meant. Apparently people bring their own bowling balls.
There was also an arcade and a movie theater right in the casino resort.
There is a beautiful infinity pool. You can see it behind me, a hot tub, cabanas, and if you're staying at the RV park, all you have to do is purchase a day pass to use all of these amenities. It's not very expensive.
The spa at Wind Creek was amazing. We visited the spa a couple of times and took advantage of their wonderful services. They have everything from massages and scrubs to pedicures, manicures, and facials. And if you go, make sure you get there early enough to enjoy the many spa amenities.
are at the spa and we're getting ready to do our spa services. Right now we're enjoying, they have a ton of things in here. So they have the sauna.
Yes, they have a hot tub. They also have a polar plunge. I'm not going in the plunge.
Freezing. Steam room. Now we're in the steam room. It's real nice in here.
It's so hot. I can't breathe.
Taylor, this is good for you.
This is my worst nightmare.
Showers, a waiting area with a little
Snacks
fireplace.
and drinks.
Yes. So
All about the snacks.
right now we're gonna do the
Sauna.
We're in the sauna. I also have to be kind of careful because we are in the spa area, which people are relaxing and no one wants to be videoed. So there's a nice changing room in here as well, and they even have a spinner for your bathing suit.
The spa also has a co-ed section that has relaxation rooms and a beautiful outdoor hot tub.
So one of the cool things at the spa is they have complimentary beverages such as juices and fruits and snacks.
By the way, before we go on any further, I am his daughter. I am Taylor, just so you know.
So we started chatting and I'm like, she said, oh, you had grape juice too? I was like, yeah, I had 2 of them. She said, me too. I said, well, I had a cranberry juice too. And she said, me too. And they also have complimentary snacks such as little containers of nuts.
Fruit.
And fruit. Actually, yeah, I had orange.
I thought about an apple.
Taking into account the services, amenities, price, and facilities, this spa is truly by far the best spa we've ever been to.
Wind Creek Casino has a really nice fitness center.
It's a 750 square foot facility with state-of-the-art equipment. There are treadmills, weight machines, stair climbers, rower, and the view isn't bad either. It overlooks the infinity pool.
All right, so another amenity that you can take advantage of when you're at the casino is the golf clubs. You can go down there and play 9 holes. It's just a 9-hole course. We're gonna play golf.
I'm just gonna throw in here that we walked in there to book this. Somebody left rotten garbage all over. Not really. It stunk though. Wow. It's like freaking.
I don't know what that smell was. Like, that's a smell I've never smelled before.
I tried to get Mom to go to the bathroom with me, and she said her eyes were burning. And she
My
had to
eyes are
leave.
burning from this smell. I think something bad.
Basically, I sold a car one time that had somebody die in it. It pretty much smelled like that.
This might actually be an old funeral home.
Yeah, it does, actually. I thought it was a church.
Yep. We're gonna see how it goes, but hopefully I can get that scent cleared out of my nose before we get
My
going.
eyes were burning.
This is how Mom warms up. And I know that no amount of warming up is gonna make this any better for me.
Oh, is it time to play? I was just warming up.
We have some certain things that we do to warm up for golf because we are real professionals. So we do the chop the wood.
Can we warm up?
Bloop, right into the creek. This is what we found on this golf course. Very concerning. Bones. It could be a human. We don't know.
Basically, I sold a car one time that had somebody die in it. It pretty much smelled like
This
that.
might. So the golf game is done, and I'm really pretty excited because I got a 63 today for 9 holes. That's not good.
There are 4 different dining options at the casino and a dessert spot and a coffee spot. Fire Steakhouse is a delicious steakhouse with some special touches. You can get some quick food at the Grill Express. The kitchen at Wind Creek Atmore is a culinary experience. The Taste Buffet offers a great breakfast. Save some room for Yoho desserts. And of course, there's a Starbucks. We're gonna have another video to share our dining experiences and show you a little secret.
On top of the full hookup site. Are you one of those parents, Taylor, that doesn't pick up your dog's poop?
No,
Yes, you are.
I'm not.
Here's the bag. Here's the bag.
He had 2 little itty bitty turds.
You go.
Would that hurt
Oh, look
anybody?
how the little touches that they do. Just so many of the things.
The amenities.
Well, they're separate and closed by themselves.
Why am I in this?
I don't know.
I'm gonna be a pro!
It's hard to be this famous.
Isn't it, Stacy?
It is, Kevin.